Hello, welcome to the Aspirant League, and here is your AK sir. Have you ever wondered why some people take all the attention when it comes to calculate the numbers? They are so quick with their numbers. Did you ever wonder if you could also perform those calculations as fast as them? No need to worry. In this series, we will post few videos and a few very simple rules. And if you follow them, you will be able to make the calculation as fast as them. So today I'm going to discuss how to square a number which are ending with 5, like 5 itself, 15. What could be the next number? 25, absolutely correct. 35, and so on. They can get like 125. Okay. If I ask you a number, square these numbers, I'm pretty sure some of you will struggle and will take few minutes. Or now, if you follow these two simple rules, which I'm going to tell you in next few seconds, you will be able to make these squares very fast. So what do we need to do is 5, let's say we write 0, 5. Now what you need to do is step 1, write a number which is just next to 0, so which is 1, and then multiply them. So 0 times 1 is absolutely correct, 0, and 5 will become 25. So square of 5 is 25. Correct? Very simple. Now, if I try to do 15, what is the next number after 1? It's 2. Well done. And if I multiply them, 1 times 2, you will get 2. And rather than 5, what I'm going to write here? 25. So if you square, if you try to calculate number of 15, square of 15, you will get 225. You can double check on a calculator if you want. Did you check it? Did you get 225? All done. It's a simple rule. Take the number, let's write 35. Take the number 3, increase it by 1, which is 4, multiply them, and you will get 3 times 4 is 12. And then rather than 5, just write down 25. And if you square 35, if you calculate the 35 square, you will get 1,225. Some people might say, oh, does it work only the number which are smaller than 100? Answer is no. This rule, this method can do square of any number which is ending with 5. So let's try a number 125. So what is the next number? 13. And if we multiply 12 and 13, we are going to get 156. And rather than 5, what I'm going to write? 25. So if you calculate the square of 125, you will get 15625. Simple trick. Hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe this video for more tricks of calculating different square, cubes, or doing the mental arithmetic. Bye.